Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another video, another DIY that you can do. This time we'll be on the IS300. What we're doing here is replacing the cigarette lighter with a USB charger, and let's see how that goes. And as always, if you find this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a like, and go ahead and share it. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a video. All right, let's get into this. All right, here, so we got the cigarette lighters right here. And this is the panel we're taking off, so I know it's such a mess. But there will be another project where I'm gonna take all these dashes out, and because it's so sticky, I'm gonna clean it up, but that'll be another video. Anyway, let's go ahead and pry this up. I'm pretty sure you can just use your finger and just lift it up. All right. Okay, now we gotta get all these connections out the way. Out. Oh my goodness. Now, that cigarette lighter connection right here was probably the hardest thing you probably had to fight and struggle for a little bit. All right, let's take this inside and take it apart. So let's go ahead and, okay, the ashtray fell out, but whatever. Also, if you notice this, there's a light bulb right here that I've never really noticed, because I don't know, maybe I've never noticed it and the light comes on or off or not, I don't know. But we can go ahead and replace that bulb too. Go ahead and just twist and pull. And it's a, not sure what size that is. It's probably a 174 bolt, not sure. I'll find out more and I'll put in the link in the description on what this is and what kind of bulb I'm using. Since I've already made my cluster pink, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one pink also. So here's what we're putting in. Voltmeter, it's got 2 USB on it. Comes with all this wiring. We're not gonna use this, we're just gonna use the existing cigarette lighter, the wires that hooks up to this, and just plug it in place of that. And you can't really go wrong, you got negative and positive here. Oops, sorry, negative and positive on the back. Okay, so in order to take this out, go ahead and twist this off. There's another light too, but this one is almost like it's integrated and I don't know how to take that out. Well, maybe I do. Well, I'll find out. And this black cover comes off. So for this, you have a clip here, and it looks like I've broken this piece right here, but there's some kind of clip right there too. And what you do is you take a flathead, well, not really a flathead, but it's pliers, and you're just supposed to squeeze that together and try and pull it out. But I find it easier if you come in here and you try to turn this left and right, it's being in one of these holes right here, there's something solid, and you just have to pull it inside the one that's solid. So technically, which would be this side right here. Put it in, and you just kind of pry it out, and then it pushes out just like that. And then you can just wiggle this out. All right, and out it goes. All right, so if you take a look at this, it does not fit at all. Even when you twist it, you can twist it in, but I find it rather difficult to just twist in because I'm afraid it might break. I don't want it to break, so I don't have a Dremel tool that you can just like clean out the circumference around this cigarette lighter. So what I'm going to try to do is go ahead and file it down just a tiny bit, just enough to like throw this in there, you know. Got a bag here. I'm gonna be filing. I just follow all on top of this and throw it away. By the way, if you're interested in taking this bulb out, it looks like it's this piece is soldered in. This light is soldered into these two electrical prongs that runs out to the back like this. So if you want to take it out, if you're interested in doing so, which I don't know why you would, because you can't really replace it. You will pop this piece out to the side like so, and pop this piece out to the side like so also. All right, it should be sticking out like that. Take yourself a set of pliers and pull it out just like that. And I mean, you can replace this. You just gotta with any color you want, you just gotta solder it. But since we took the cigarette lighter out, it's really no point in putting a light in, you know. Maybe I'll put a light in later, I'm not sure, but. Okay, so there's one or two ways to do this, to wire this up. The original cigarette lighter, you have the positive and you get the negative. You can go ahead and take out the negative and leave the positive on so it doesn't short out. Or you can just go ahead and take these out and just rewire them to the wire that they came with. But I'm going ahead and just take out the negative portion of it and just plug it right up to here, and then just use this one the positive, just turn it at an angle and just plug it right up so it doesn't short out. All right, let's go ahead and do this out. Okay, so our negative is out. Of course, you want to go plug it negative, negative, positive, positive. Let's have this turning the other way. Oh. That's pretty tight in there. All right. And I do want to find out if this light is working or not right in here. So I will plug that one in to here. Where's my keys?
Cost, no obligation on.
Okay, awesome, that's working. Except that I just gotta turn this around the other way, actually. Let's see here. Okay. There, you see it's working. And this light, I believe, does not come on. Hold on. Let's see here. All right, so that light actually worked. I took the bulb out and flip it around, so that works. All right, let's look at it. The ashtray light. Okay. There we go. All right, let's check it out. There's the voltmeter. The USB is working. And this light is actually working now too. Hey, so that is all I got for today. Hot and sweaty here. But if you found this video helpful and you want to go ahead and do that yourself, go ahead and smash that like button. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Peace.